Welcome to our tutorial about whole notes. Let's go to our part and let's right-click on Extrusion to Suppress Feature. Let's right-click on this surface and select New Sketch. And we're going to place a couple points here. Click Return to exit. Now let's create a hole. I'm going to use a counter bore hole. Click OK. Let's go back to our drawing. Window, Part 2. Click on the Hole Thread Notes tool and select the hole we want to annotate. Place the note right about here. We can easily edit a note. First, let's finish it up with a right-click and Done. Then we right-click again and select Edit Whole Note. The dialog window gives us a number of different symbols that we can use in a whole note. For more information about these, click on the Help icon here. It'll provide a description of all the available symbols. Let's cancel out of the Help file for now and cancel out of the whole note editor. Let's take a look at a whole table now. Scroll down in the panel bar. Select Whole Table View. From the Whole Table submenu, choose Selection. We select a view, place the holder, and select the holes. Right-click, Create. Here's our table. Let's undo that. Let's try a different method for creating a whole table. Go back to the same tool, but this time choose View from the submenu. Now we select a view in our drawing document, and we select a hole. Let's place our table right here. Right-click and Create to close up. And here is our whole table. Let's right-click to edit the whole table. We've got two tabs, Formatting and Options. Let's go to the Options tab. Many parameters to adjust here. Let's select Combine Notes, Apply, and OK. And this concludes our tutorial about whole notes and whole table views.